Back to another video on RXP Outdoors. Today we will be doing a 100 subscriber special. We'll be camping out in the ice, setting up tip-ups for some big walleyes, so hopefully we'll get some good stuff. Get on the ice. Jonathan just caught a nice perch here. Here, Braden, get out your phone light so you can shine this baby on here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a nice perch. We're gonna be out here.
Right in the top light.
We're gonna be out here spending the night, so hopefully we'll get some nice walleyes and some perch for you guys. Stay tuned. Pumpkin seed.
Yeah.
Got a nice pumpkin seed.
Freaking fat.
I think I'm gonna get my headlight on here and we're gonna.
Want to keep it?
Fish started biting. I mean, yeah, we can flay them up. Yeah.
Maybe go for a little bigger right now.
Yeah. I mean, we got a bunch of options,
Yeah.
so I'd toss them back.
Okay.
Bite is starting, guys. Had a big mark on. Oh! Came off.
It had to have been a walleye.
Came off.
Holy cripes, you damn near had you spoon. Gotta be a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. Yes. So that's sweeter than going. They got hammering the shit out of them and going the big ones. Fat.
26 and a half.
No, butcher, he's 2 foot if that. But fat. Right there. It's right there.
So now we walked all the way across the lake to go get our pizza. Bite's been pretty slow, but hopefully we'll get some more. Tonight we got some tip-ups out there.
I couldn't see nothing.
Yeah, you're not gonna see nothing. Got our good old stove going, if I can get her open. Nice and toasty. Just put a bunch of firewood here. Gonna play some card games with some good old grizzly cards. And we'll let you know if we ever get a flag. Time check, so we just got back from outside and we had 2 flags up, but they were both gone, the middles were gone, so we're too busy playing a good old card game and we weren't checking the flags, so we'll get them next time.
Highs today, the upper 30s. Southeasterly winds 10 to 20, gusting to 35. Tonight, rain mixed with freezing rain. Lows around 30, chance of precipitation 80%. Tomorrow, cloudy, snow likely, maybe another inch or 2 of wet snow. Highs in the low 30s, northerly winds 10 to 15. Friday night turning much colder, lows around 10. Saturday partly sunny but cold, highs around 15. And Sunday
Sitting around here playing some cards.
highs in the mid-20s for
Found out
tomorrow.
we're under winter weather advisory.
Winter weather advisory, so
Fun.
pretty nice.
Oh, you shut off.
The time check is about 12:05. We're out here, boys. We're out here. Time check, it's about 12:39. I'm pulling tip-ups at 1:30 and gonna keep the fire going for these boys over here since I'm the fire duty man all night, so looks like I won't be getting no sleep. Woohoo! Gotta shave my beautiful beard in the morning too since I lost today. So we'll see when I pull the tip-ups and if I get anything. If not, see you in the morning. A flag, boys. She popped up in the middle of a snowstorm. It's twisting. It's twisting.
Here, I got it. Hook set, hook set. Grab it, set the hook.
I think it came off. Spit it. I don't feel anything.
Nope. Dude, the hook's fucking gone.
Oh, dude, he must have bit that.
Oh.
Shit. Guess we need to get a new hook.
Oh.
Are you serious? Not right now.
We didn't touch this one at all.
Yeah, but still might could have been a middle trip.
Still
Oh,
set the
it's
hook on it.
moving.
Yeah, that's
Okay, just wait.
Fish.
Just wait. Wait for it to turn a little bit more.
It's like very slow.
Okay.
Okay,
So
Jonathan.
just start going, right?
Yep. Grab the line.
Are you serious?
What?
You spit that.
Are these little fish messing around with us or what?
Dude, that one was actually there and I did exactly what you said.
Did you feel anything at all?
Yeah.
Before we had 2 flags trip up a while ago, missed both of them, so it's not looking too good for catching fish, but at least we're getting some activity. Got the stove nice and cooking up, so it's actually working pretty nice now. It's
Hot out here.
Yep. Haven't got a wink of sleep yet, but sleep is for the weak. Boys! Oh, come on. Be something here. Oh.
Let's go for a cigarette. He doesn't wake up. I yelled so loud.
Holy shit, this is cold in my ass crack.
My jacket on. I don't have a sweatshirt on.
Probably just the fucking wind.
No, it wasn't the wind. It was spinning. Spit it.
What the fuck? 6:07. A little bit tired. Fell asleep, took a half-hour nap. Fire went out, so I decided to do that. Had a flag tripped up. I don't know what it was. Minnow's still there and everything, so I just put it back down. Yeah, it's pretty tiring, but we're still waiting for that one monster fish to pay off, so stay tuned. Record. Yep, got him.
Good.
Yep.
I'll get to this side of you, so if you land it, maybe toss them to the other side.
Oh, holy crap. Oh, there's the leader.
Get the tape measure. Oh, here, you want to talk quick? I'll get the tape measure.
Yeah. Look at that nice walleye. Look at that nice walleye, guys. Shut the camera off quick here. We finally got one. Want to see it, Brad?
He's got to go back.
Kicked off like a mule. Flag. I just wait a little bit, maybe see if it spins. I mean, it did turn because it was like that. Let me put this on here quick.
Did you actually see that go up?
Yeah.
You want to try?
I suppose.
Oh shit, I should close that.
Yep, there's on it. Don't do it too fast. Oh, that's a big jumbo perch.
Oh yeah. Should we put that in my bucket then?
Yeah.
Here.
It's a nice perch at least.
Oh, great.
This video, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It's the end of our journey. We didn't catch much fish, but we caught a few and it was pretty fun. It was the first night we all spent the night on an ice shack and it was a good time, so see you later.